Hello moneymakers. 1 week ago I was waiting at the airport for my flight as it was delayed by 2 hours. As usual, I opened my phone and started scrolling YouTube. To my surprise, this video came up in my suggestions. Then I watched another, and then another. Out of curiosity, I opened the channel and found they've been working on it for about the last 3 months and have gained around 300,000 subscribers by uploading 120 videos. I was shocked and decided to share this niche with my audience for free. But then I realized not everyone knows how to create videos like this, and it would take weeks or months for my audience to figure everything out. So I decided to do all the work myself and share the formula with you for free. I literally worked for 3 days straight on this channel to figure out the video production process. I tried to create videos like this in 9 different tools, and all methods failed. But then on the 4th day, I discovered one method that actually works, and I've shown the entire process for free in this video. Starting from finding topics, creating the voiceover, editing. Now before we start, you must be wondering, why should we start a channel in this niche? Let's check the numbers. This channel has got over 7.5 million views in total in just 3 months. As per YouTube, they joined on the 30th of May 2025. According to SocialBlade, this channel is earning around $3,000 to $48,000 per month. But even if we consider $10,000 per month, this channel can literally help you in starting a business, pay off your loans, and improve your life significantly. Results vary and depend on niche, content quality, and consistency. And we're just talking about YouTube ad revenue here. They're also selling merchandise and working on other social media platforms as well. Now you tell me, why do you want to work 9 to 5 when you have such big opportunities available? So grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end as I reveal this niche in detail. Let's get started. But wait. Before we move ahead, I have created a full course on how to succeed on YouTube with AI, and this course have everything that you need to start your YouTube journey. In my 10 years of experience, I have built several channels for me and my clients, and everything that I learned in these 10 years is shared on this course. You will also get group coaching calls every week from me directly, and a community of like-minded people whom you can network and grow your business. I'm giving away this course and coaching for just $149 for lifetime. You don't need to pay any monthly fees like other YouTube gurus, and also I won't sell other teaching for higher price. You pay $149 and you get access to my course and coaching for lifetime. The link is in the description. Now gets back to the video. Alright, so let's start the video creation process. The best part about this channel is that there is no competition in this unique niche, so it's the perfect time to create your own channel with your creativity. We are not going to completely copy this channel. We will make some changes, like using a different animal, changing the editing style, and a few other things, so it won't look exactly like the reference channel. We will also take help from ChatGPT for this. First, you need to copy the information from the reference channel like this. Now go to ChatGPT and ask, take a look at this channel. I want to create a similar channel, but instead of using a duck character, I want to use a different animal. Can you give me some suggestions? Then paste the reference channel information you copied, and there you go. ChatGPT will give you many suggestions for choosing an animal. I was a bit confused about which animal to choose. Then I thought of going with a cat, because we can easily find many meme images and everything related to cats. So I asked ChatGPT, I will go with a kitty. Can you give me 10 channel name ideas? And here we go. ChatGPT gave us some name suggestions. But I wanted something simple, so I asked for names that are easy, like Kitty Explainer, Knowledgeable Kitty, or something similar. So I will go with Brainy Kitty as the channel name. If you want an exact character photo for your channel, you can simply ask ChatGPT to generate an image of the animal you have chosen, and ChatGPT will create it for you. This is just an example. You can use your own creativity to choose the animal character and design everything in your own style. I just want to show you how you can take help from ChatGPT while creating your channel. But remember, as I always say, do not completely rely on AI. You will need to put in your own efforts and creativity to make your channel unique and successful. Now our channel creation part is done, and it's time to start creating content for the channel. You need to follow the steps exactly as I teach you, one by one. Let's start with scripts and topics. If you are good at humor and can write scripts on your own, that's amazing. But remember, this is not a normal type of script. You need to learn how to present problems in a funny and entertaining way. To do this, you should watch videos from the reference channels again and again and carefully learn how they create humor and storytelling. If you still can't write scripts like that, don't worry. We can take help from ChatGPT for this as well, but for that you need to explain things very clearly to ChatGPT. Here's how you can do it. Go back to ChatGPT and type something like, "Now I will provide you with some scripts." Analyze the writing style in detail. I will provide all these prompts inside my free Skool community so you can easily use them whenever you need. After that, you need to open a video from the reference channel. Go to the video description and click on the transcript button. Copy the entire transcript of that video, and you will be ready for the next steps. Then you have to give the transcripts to ChatGPT to analyze. While ChatGPT is analyzing the script of one video, you can copy the transcript of another video and give it to ChatGPT as well. In this way, you need to provide 3 or 4 transcripts so that ChatGPT can fully understand the style. As you can see, ChatGPT will learn everything: the tone, the emotional layers, the type of words to use, the structure, and the overall flow of the scripts. After that, you need to give this prompt. Alright, now you understand the script concept and topic as well. First, give me similar topics for my channel, but instead of using a duck, we are going to use a kitty. ChatGPT will then give you different topics in separate sections. This way, you will have lots of ideas for videos. For this demo, I will choose the topic Anxiety Explained by Kitty. Now that we have the topic, it's time to generate the script. Ask ChatGPT by saying, "I will go with this topic," and then paste your chosen topic. Next, type, "Now give me a script for my video in the same style as the script I shared with you." And here we go. ChatGPT will generate the script in just a few seconds in the exact style we want, with the same funny humor we are looking for. After getting the script, you can ask ChatGPT about its length. This will help you decide if you want to make the script longer or shorter, and then you can modify it as per your choice. If you want to make the script longer, just give ChatGPT the command to expand it. The script quality will already be very good, but I still suggest you make some changes by adding your own lines and ideas. This way, it won't be considered a completely AI-generated script and will have your personal touch. So our work of creating the script is now complete. Let's move on to the next step, finding editing materials. As you've seen in the reference channel videos, they use a very unique and different style, similar to whiteboard animation. To make our video look funnier and more engaging, the first thing we need is funny sound effects. Don't worry, your AI Maskman has already collected all the funny meme sounds, transition sounds, and other sound effects that will make your video extra fun. I've added all of them into one folder, and you'll find the link to that folder inside the prompt document. After arranging sound effects, the next step is to collect some images of the animal you have chosen for your channel. Search on Google and download different types of images. Weird ones, funny ones, and anything that might be useful for your video. If you're confused about which images to download, don't stress. You can also download images during the editing process, whenever you need them. You'll find plenty of green screen images online for free. You just need to know how to search for them properly. Then, I'll also go on YouTube and download some non-copyright cat memes. These will help make our video even funnier and more interesting. You can also explore Pinterest, as it has a huge collection of material for editing. So make sure to check there as well, to gather everything you need for your video. So, this is how you can collect all the materials you need for video editing. Alright, now the next thing we need is the voiceover. Remember, for these types of videos, never use a robotic voice. If the voice sounds robotic, the audience won't enjoy listening to it, and they will most likely not like or continue watching your video. That's why you need to use tools that create natural-sounding voices. For this, I will use DubDub AI, which provides very natural voices. It also has many settings that allow you to make the voice sound even more realistic and human-like. First, log in to DubDub AI. This tool gives you a 3-day free trial, so you can try everything before paying. Once you sign in, you will see a dashboard with many options like AI avatar, AI voiceover, avatar cloning, and voice cloning. If you want your voice to be unique and even more natural, you can try the voice cloning feature. But for now, we will go with the AI voiceover option. Here, you will see many settings to customize the voice. The first step is to select the language, gender, and age of the voice. You will also see 3 quality options: Ultra, Premium, and Standard. Try listening to voices in each quality and then select the one that fits your niche best. Usually, I go with a multi-emotive voice because it allows you to choose different emotions, and the AI will adjust its tone based on that emotion. But since this is an explainer video, I will go with the Liam voice, which sounds clear and professional. Now copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it into DupDub. If you see any unnecessary words in the script, remove them before generating the final voiceover. Then click on Generate. Listen to the generated voiceover carefully.
Kitty wakes up. Sun is out. Pond quiet. Everything fine. But Kitty's brain says, what if it's not? Whiskers twitch.
It sounds perfect, right? But if you still want to make some changes, you can use DupDub's features like adding pauses, adjusting speed, and using alias to fine-tune the voice and make it sound even better. Here, I will add a few pauses in this line to make it sound more natural. Now listen to it again. Once you are completely satisfied with how it sounds, export the voiceover to your computer. Alright, now let's move on to the last step, which is editing. For editing, I will use Canva. Why Canva? Because Canva has so many resources, images, elements, animations, and graphics that help us create amazing videos very easily. And if you don't want to spend months learning and testing everything yourself, my done-for-you program is the fastest way to start. I'll research your niche, create scripts, create videos, design thumbnails, optimize SEO, and even upload everything for you. You'll get a complete, ready-to-run YouTube channel built to grow and earn from day one. I've used this exact process to grow multiple channels to tens of thousands of subscribers. Now I can build yours. For more inquiries, you can book a free call with me via link in the description. First, open Canva and choose the video option from the dashboard. Then upload all the videos and images you downloaded earlier. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for the animal character you selected for your channel. You will find a bunch of options there. Let's pick this one. I will crop the upper part of it and place it right here on the screen like this. Now I will copy the heading text from ChatGPT, go to the text section in Canva, add a text box, and paste the heading. From the fonts option, I will choose Comic Sans because it gives a fun and light vibe. Then, I will arrange the text nicely on the page and add an animation to it. For this, I will go with the burst animation because it looks lively and engaging. I've also directly connected my Google Drive folder where I uploaded all the sound effects earlier. This way, I can easily access them inside Canva and drag them straight into my project without downloading them again. So, after the anxiety explained by Kitty voiceover, I will add a meow sound effect on this page. This will make it more fun and engaging. Next, let's add another page. The second line of my script says, Kitty, wake up. So I'll go to the Elements section and add a bed graphic to the page. Then, I'll place a cat waking up photo above the bed. After that, I'll group them together and add an animation to make it lively. At the beginning of this page, I'll also add a pop-up sound effect to match the action. Then, according to the third line of the script, I'll add another element related to the story and give it animations and sound effects. This is the exact process you need to follow. Step by step, add Kitty graphics according to the script, apply animations, add sound effects, and repeat the process until the whole video is done. In between, you can also add some memes to make it even funnier. For example, here I will add this meme. First, I'll remove the green screen background using the background remover feature. Then, I'll add a funny song to play along with it. Once you've done all that, play the video from the beginning and see how it looks. You can also add text bubbles like this to show dialogue or thoughts. Just go to Canva, and you'll find many options to customize. Take your time to explore all the elements and use them to make your video more engaging and entertaining. When you're happy with the final edit, click on Share, then Download, and save it to your computer. Creating the thumbnail. Now, for the thumbnail, go back to Canva and select YouTube thumbnail from the dashboard. Add a text box and type the topic of your video. Make the text big and bold by using a larger font size. Next, add a photo of your animal character. Finally, include some elements related to your topic. For example, here I've added an anxiety sign to match the theme. And that's it. Your video creation process is complete. Now all you need to do is keep practicing. Nobody becomes perfect at the beginning. At first it will feel difficult, but as you keep practicing, your experience and editing skills will grow day by day. So guys, this is how you can make funny explainer videos using these tools and AI. If you learned anything new from this video, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Now let's check out the demo video.
Anxiety, explained by kitties. Kitty wakes up. Sun is out. Pond quiet. Everything fine. But Kitty's brain says, what if it's not? Whiskers twitch. Heart pounds. No reason. Still pounding. Kitty walks to food bowl. Brain says, what if there's no food? What if fish are gone? What if you forget how to eat? Kitty looks, bowl full. Brain says, for now. Kitty takes one bite. Brain whispers, what if this bite makes you sick? What if you choke? What if everyone is watching? Kitty stops eating. Tail curls tight. Later, Kitty leaves the house to explore.